Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAPLOBBY. Today we'll discuss on the reorder point planning. So before we proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So reorder point planning is like two types: manual reorder point and automatic reorder point. So basically today we'll discuss on the automatic reorder point planning. So before we move to automatic reorder point, so reorder point planning is being used for those material which are like B or C consumption type material, like where these materials are mostly you are maintaining stock. I mean, we are maintaining like maximum stock and minimum stock, and you don't depend on the dependent requirement and order reservation. But before that, you are maintaining some kind of safety stock or mean stock, mean and max. You are maintaining mean and max for this stock. So, and if stock falls below that level, then you want to get the procurement proposal for that. So in such cases, for those metal we can use the reorder point planning. Okay, so reorder point, manual reorder point, we need to maintain the reorder point in the metal master manually, and that is fixed. And automatic reorder point is like system will calculate the reorder point based on your past consumptions. So let's see in the system, like so this is one material like I was created. Let me open one more session. So here, so in this material, if I go to MRP 1 view, so if this is manual reorder point, so I maintain the reorder point 97. Okay, so if I go to MD0 for this material, not this one. So here, so if you look at now, stock is 0 for this one, and we have the reorder point of 97. So in this case, if I run MRP for this one, so then it will generate a proposal for 97, because 97 is our reorder point. For 97 it will create a proposal. Now this can be converted to purchase order to get the material for this material. Okay, so this is the manual reorder point. Okay, now let's try about the automatic reorder point. So in case of automatic reorder point, so there is one more material. So if here, if I go for that material, so now this material do not have any stock. Okay, so here MRP 1. So in MRP 1 I maintain the automatic reorder point. Okay, so this will be calculated based on the its past consumption. Okay, suppose if I go to the forecast, okay, here first I will give the consumption value. So here I have to give the consumption value, like suppose so Suppose I will give for 12 month of past consumption. Then now if I go down, okay, so I gave almost for 12 month. Okay, then I'll click on this main data. So now I will run the execute the forecast. So this is for March. I will run for the March. Okay, so now again forecasting, again forecasting. Okay, so if you look at, now it's saying reorder point 16. Okay, I'll save it. So if I go to the MRP1 view, okay, so it updated with the reorder point. Okay, it calculated the reorder point. Now if I'll save it. Okay, so if I now go to the MD04, so now here no stock is there, zero stock. If I run the MRP for this material, so if I run, so if here it create one purchase request for 16 pieces. Okay, so based on this consumption, it will recalculate. It will calculate the your reorder point of the material. Okay, so no need to maintain manually that based on consumption. Okay, so this is the all about the automatic reorder point. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any query, please let know. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.